Overcharging kills cell phone battery, and any cell phone, if you overcharge, it's going to be not good for your battery. So in Samsung and most of Android, you can just set up the limit. So when you go into the setting, so you can set up the limit, and whenever it's reached that limit, it will stop charging itself. So which means you can just extend your battery life for a little longer. So just when you go into the setting, you'll find the battery tab. Just go here, you'll find battery protection. In some phone, you'll find the battery percentage limit, or in some you say the maximum. It has a different names, but most of the time you'll find the battery protection. So when you just turn on that tab, so it will give you more option down there. See, so in the basic, you'll see, so when your battery is charged 100%, charging will stop. This is a basic, but that's actually not recommended in the most of the time. Either you can use adaptive, and adaptive, what it will do when you feel asleep or something, you can set the schedule, or it will detect itself and it will put into the basic thing, and it will use minimum uses of the cell phone features, and which extend your battery life. And the last one is the maximum, and this one you can just set up the percentage, which is 80%. So when your battery reaches to the 80%, it will stop charging and it will extend your battery life for sure. So just try in your phone and you will feel the difference.